clouds grow larger every day.
He speaks without permission.
He even heals on the Sabbath.
And the people listen.
If Rome hears this talk of kingship,
They'll come for all of us.
The law says order must be kept.
But what if he truly is the Messiah?
Enough!
it is better for one man to die than for a nation to fall.
Build these walls with holy hands. Measured every truth in grains of sand. We name what to do and what to ban. To keep the world in our command.
Every law we keep is another line we draw. We're experts at calling out other people's flaws. Now this Jesus, I can tell that he knows the law as well, but he doesn't use the law to bring out any bells.
Instead, he speaks for mercy, not restraint. Matterfact, he even touches what we call unclean. If sinners ever find a place at God's table, then our authority gets disabled.
What do?
We built this seed on scrolls and fear. Centuries stuck in the chandelier. Road so clean, but the motive's clear. We stay in power, we stay right here.
He walks in dusty feet, looks like he owns the air. Fishermen follow, they swear, he's taking us somewhere.
Table turners have a
They're
better.
calling us out in the square. It keeps rising, time's ticking, soon our powers disappear.
Protect the throne, defend the name. Even if mercy means the flame. Better that one man die in shame than lose the power that we claim.
He calls us to white paint or rod. Reads our heart like an open blood. Ground get fed and the lame get off. Every single miracle deeps are called.
We got Rome to please, we got lines to give. He keeps things with authority and wage he give. Get this preacher wants to practice what we preach. So what do we do? Protect the throne, defend the name. Even if mercy feeds the flame. Better let one man die in shame than lose the power that we claim. We decide who God can save, who is clean and who's to blame. If heaven speaks outside the rules, we will rewrite. Protect the throne, defend the name. Even if mercy feeds the flame. Better let one man die in shame than lose the power that we claim. We decide who God can save, who is clean and who's to blame. If heaven speaks outside the rules, we will rewrite heaven's name. So what do we do? Protect the throne,
Preserve the law, silence every voice that calls. We will not be overthrown by authority. We can hold.
prepare the charges.